And that is yogurt. Look at that. That is sensational. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making yogurt. We're using the Instant Pot to make yogurt. Now, it's a quick video for you, long for me because this is going to cook all night. I've got some milk here, whole milk, and I've got some probiotic yogurt. It's got all the bugs and things in there and all the goodness in there. We need a thermometer. We have to measure the temperature of the milk. I don't usually use the saute setting on this thing, but we are today. We are heating the milk up in here to 83 degrees. So I'm going to put this milk in there. Now this is a 5 litre container and it will probably take about 4.5 litres in here up to the maximum mark. So that is going to give us 4.5 litres of yogurt. There you go. We're right up to the limit. And you know what's so good about this? I look for the yellow tagged milk on reduce. Okay, for this recipe we do not use the Instant Pot lid. We find a lid that fits. Okay, now we don't need that on just yet because we're going to heat up the milk. So we're going to put on saute mode, which we will find down here. So we're going to hit the saute. So we've put it onto normal, which is going to heat up quite quickly. And we're heating this to 83 degrees. We're going to check it with a thermometer. Now it's going to heat up. With the element inside, you have to stir it so it doesn't burn. So I'm going to set off on this and then I might bring it down to less. I don't know yet. So we just don't burn your milk. The early stages don't necessarily matter, but when it starts to warm through, we don't want anything sticking on the liner inside. And what we'll do, we'll just take a temperature reading of the milk now, and it's at about 18 degrees. So it's certainly got a long way to go. Nearly 76. That is up to temperature. Look, just up to 83. Pushing 84, we don't go any more than that at all. Now what we have to do now is we have to cool this to 43 degrees. Now you can cool this anyway. You can leave it in here. You can stand it in a bucket of water, fill the sink up with water, anything like that. We have to get it to 43 degrees. Nearly there. We got a little bit longer. There we go. We're at 43. That will do nicely. So there you go. We've hit the desired temperature. What you do now, you take some of that milk into a bowl like that. You take your probiotic yogurt. Now what you do, you mix 1 tablespoon per litre of milk. And we're going to put all of this in here actually. There's about 4 tablespoons, maybe it's just over. And we've got about 4.5 litres of milk. So, you know, we could go to 5 really. And then all you do is mix it in. Mix that in there with that milk. So once you've got it all stirred in like that, that goes back in there. So just take that and tip that in there. Give it a stir. We want it to go all the way through that milk. Fabulous. That goes back in the Instant Pot. Straight back in there. And then, like I say, no Instant Pot lid, a lid on there. And then we hit yogurt. Leave it on normal, and we want to set the time. I've got 8 hours already set there, but we're going to set it for 9. I'm going to set it for 9 hours. Now, here's the thing. When you're making yogurt, you set between 8 and 12 hours. 8 hours is very mild. Up to 12 hours it gets more sour. So you determine what sourness you actually want for your yogurt. So if you want a nice mild yogurt, 8 hours. If you want a little bit of sour, 9, more 10, 11, 12. I'm going for 9 hours. That's it. We just leave it. Come back in 9 hours time. So I'll be back tomorrow morning. There you go. Okay, it's finished. As you can see, it's on end, and that means we've got yogurt. So what we're going to do to make this easier, we're going to take this out of here, lid off, and that is yogurt. There you go. Got yogurt in there, and we've got a little bit of whey on the top. Not a problem. Right, and we'll make Greek yogurt, and we'll make yogurt. So if for yogurt, you just take out your yogurt and you put it in a tub. As easy as that. It is just ridiculously easy. Right, this is going to be lovely soft yogurt in here, as you can see. Now what you do, you stick it in the fridge 4 hours, and in that 4 hours it sets up. Right, we want to be making some Greek yogurt as well. So what we do, we take some cotton sheet like that, you call it cheesecloth or whatever, I just know it as a cotton sheet, and I'm going to actually make it easy for myself. I'm going to fold it in like that. Sieve bowl over the top of there, and all we're doing is adding that to that, and we're going to let it sit in the sieve for the whey to drain through, and we end up with a thicker yogurt, and that will be our Greek yogurt. So it's as easy as that. So let's get this in there. Now of course you can just pour this in if you want, but we're going to put so much in and so much back in that tub. So there we go, we've got a tub of yogurt there, and all you do is you put a lid on. This is the one that we're interested in today. We're making Greek yogurt. Now if I hold this gently and I lift that up, you'll see whey dripping out of the bottom. Now we're going to let that drip for about 4 hours, the same as that one. This is going to make Greek yogurt, that is going to be yogurt. So there you go. That is all we do. And then the whey, you either keep for baking or you discard. It's entirely up to you. All those in the fridge. Right, we're at 6 hours. I've just got these out of the fridge. The moment of truth. There you go. That is normal yogurt. Look at that. Look at that. That is sensational. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Slight hint of sour like you get with yogurt. Beautiful. No sugars, no nothing in there. 100% pure yogurt. And don't forget, it's got all those lively bits in there. They're very good for you. Right, that's that yogurt. Now let's have a look at our Greek yogurt to be. There you go. Look how thick and yummy that is. Just look at that. Creamy goodness with a slight sour like you get with yogurt. Beautiful. So all you've got to do is put it in a tub that you want to keep it in. Now, I've been draining the whey away. I've been draining the whey away whilst this has been draining. I've been chucking it on the plants actually. But you know, you can use it for baking, you can use it for whatever, up to you. What we want is our fantastic Greek yogurt in a tub. I mean, come on, look at this for quality. This is just super high quality. It really is. You can see. I'm just going to push that down into there. So from our 5 litre, we kept nearly 700 mils of milk in there. We've made a good amount of normal yogurt, and we've got a good amount of Greek styled yogurt in there. Now this stuff lasts the usual about 7 days in the fridge, so you've got to use it. However, you're probably not making the amount that I'm making. This goes in bread, it goes in cake, it goes in overnight oats, it goes in everything. So there you go. That is just so easy to make. It is unbelievably easy. It's just time. But using the Instant Pot like we've done no work. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. You know, many people make yogurt this way, but you know, for those people that want to make yogurt, so simple. Make yogurt. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next video. Fantastic. Oh, gorgeous.